Physical properties of phenol. The boiling point of alcohols and phenols are higher in compared to other class of compounds. Let's see the examples. Here three types of compounds are given. Ethanol belong to alcohol. Methoxymethane belong to ether category. Propane belong to hydrocarbon compounds. The molecular mass of alcohol, methoxymethane ether, hydrocarbon propane are comparable 46, 46, 44. But see the boiling point. Boiling point of ethanol is 351 Kelvin, but the boiling point of ether is 248 and propane just 231. So compared to other class of compound, boiling point of ethanol is very high. I repeat, compared to other class of organic compound, compared to either hydrocarbon or other type of compound, compared to other type of organic compound, boiling point of alcohols are found to be higher. And why it is higher? Why boiling point of alcohol is very high? It is mainly due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding present in alcohol. The high boiling point of alcohols and phenols are mainly due to the presence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding in them, which is lacking in hydrocarbons and ethers. Let's take two alcohol molecules. In alcohol, the atom oxygen is highly electronegative. Due to the high electronegativity of oxygen, the shared pair of electrons between oxygen and hydrogen will attract to oxygen. Okay, I repeat, due to the high electronegativity of oxygen, the shared pair of electrons will attract to oxygen. Okay, and due to this attraction, oxygen acquire a del negative and hydrogen acquire a del positive charge. In second alcohol molecule also situation is same. Due to the electronegativity difference, oxygen acquire del negative and hydrogen acquire del positive charge. Now here a positive and negative charge. Due to the opposite charge, there is an attraction between hydrogen and oxygen. Due to positive and negative, an attraction formed between hydrogen and oxygen, and this attraction is called hydrogen bonding. This interaction is called hydrogen bonding. What is hydrogen bonding? The bond between hydrogen atom with electronegative element like oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine are called hydrogen bonding. Okay, and here hydrogen bonding is formed between molecule. Hydrogen bonding is formed between two molecules. So this hydrogen bonding is called intermolecular hydrogen bonding. The high boiling point of alcohols is mainly due to this intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Because due to this intermolecular hydrogen bonding, the force of attraction between alcohol molecules are very strong. Okay, so it's difficult to convert the liquid alcohol molecule into vapor. Okay, what do you mean by boiling point? The temperature required to convert liquid molecule into vapor. Okay, but here the liquid alcohol molecules are connected through strong intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So to converting into vapor state, this bond, hydrogen bond, should break. So alcohol molecules require high energy in the form of heat to break the bond. So what happened? The boiling point of solution or liquid will increase. In the case of phenol, also situation is same. Phenol molecules are held together by intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Let's see here, oxygen del negative, hydrogen del positive, and this hydrogen will connect with the oxygen of second phenol, and this hydrogen will connect with the oxygen of next phenol. So in phenol also intermolecular hydrogen bonding is strong. So due to this strong intermolecular hydrogen bonding, boiling point of phenol is also high, just like alcohols. The boiling point of alcohols and phenols increase with the increase in the number of carbon atoms. This is because of increase in van der Waals forces with the increasing number of carbon atoms. That is, number of carbon atoms in alcohol and phenol increases, the force of attraction or van der Waals force of attraction between alcohol and phenol molecules will increase, and this lead to high boiling point of alcohols and phenols. In alcohols, the boiling point decreases with the increase of branching in carbon chain. The main reason is due to decrease in van der Waals forces with the decrease in surface area. That is, when the branching in carbon increase, surface area of the compound will decrease and lead to decrease in van der Waals force of attraction between alcohol molecules. So when the force of attraction decrease, the boiling point also correspondingly will decrease. The next important physical property of alcohol and phenol is solubility. Alcohols and phenols are soluble in water. It is mainly due to their ability to form hydrogen bonds with the water molecules. Clear? Alcohols and phenols are miscible or soluble in water. Why they are soluble? Because alcohols and phenols can form hydrogen bonds with the water molecules. Let's see here. Propanol. We know that oxygen is del negative, hydrogen is del positive due to electronegativity difference. In water, oxygen is del negative, hydrogen is del positive. Is there any possibility of hydrogen bonding here? Yes, because hydrogen bonding is what? Bond between hydrogen and electronegative element. Here hydrogen del positive, electronegative element oxygen is del negative. So hydrogen of propanol will make bond with the oxygen of water, and this bonding between molecules, so it is called intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, so due to this bonding, propanol becomes soluble in water. Okay, so there is a bonding between water and alcohol. So due to the bonding, propanol become soluble in water. Let's discuss one question related to boiling point of alcohols. Arrange the following sets of compounds in order of their increasing boiling points. The compounds are given here: pentan-1-ol, butan-2-ol, ethanol, propan-1-ol, methanol, and butan-1-ol. All compounds are alcohols containing different number of carbon atoms. The correct increasing order of boiling point is like this: methanol, ethanol, propan-1-ol, butan-2-ol, butan-1-ol, pentanol. That is, the last compound pentanol possesses high boiling point because arrangement is in the increasing order of boiling point. So pentanol possess high boiling point compared to other compounds. Then methanol having least or low boiling point. Can you tell why pentanol possesses high boiling point? Already I said number of carbon atoms increase. Boiling point also will increase in the case of alcohols. How many carbon atom here? 1 carbon. Here 2 carbon. Here 3 carbon. 4 carbon. Butane 1 also 4 carbon. Pentanol possess 5 carbon. So more number of carbon in the chain, then that alcohol possesses high boiling point. Why? Because if more number of carbon, the van der Waals force of attraction between two pentanol molecules become high. Okay. Due to 5 carbon atoms, the van der Waals force of attraction between pentanol molecule become high. Okay. Due to the strong van der Waals force, the boiling point also correspondingly will increase. But in methanol molecule van der Waals force of attraction is less because methanol contain only 1 carbon. Okay, so number of carbon atom increase, the force of attraction between molecule or van der Waals force of attraction between molecule will increase, and correspondingly boiling point also will increase. In the case of butane 2-ol, butane 1-ol, both contain same number of carbon, but the boiling point of butane 1-ol is found to be higher than butane 2-ol. What is the reason? Let's draw the structure of butane 2-ol and butane 1-ol. Butane 2-ol means 4 carbon, second position OH. This is butane 2-ol. CH2, CH3. What is butane 1-ol? Butane 1-ol 4 carbon, but OH is present on the first carbon. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. So out of these two, butane 1-ol, this is butane 1-ol possess high boiling point. Why butane 1-ol possess high boiling point? Because here, okay, here CH2 wrong, CH, okay, here there is a branching. Already I said branching increase in alcohol, increase, boiling point will decrease. Okay, when branching increase, the van der Waals force of attraction between the molecule will decrease, so boiling point also will decrease. But here no branching, so the force of attraction becomes strong. Okay, and this is the reason behind this variation.